Yeah, guys, the plan is on the screen for BTCUSD. BTCUSD. I told you guys we're going to trade BTC today. I've been spending about 1 hour or maybe more sitting just to get a setup for BTC. Had to do a lot of switching between time frames and checking this and checking that and all, and finally I came to the conclusion on the zones you see on the screen. Took a lot of time to get those zones, to be honest. Guys, I'm setting up YouTube very soon, setting up the YouTube live stream to run, then I'll just come and read the comments soon. Okay, YouTube should be running now. YouTube should be active now. It should be active now. Trading BTC na patience. I tell you, once it starts moving, it starts to move crazily too. Once BTC starts to move, it's crazy. It's crazy. Seriously. Let me inform the community I'm live. Once BTC starts to move, it goes crazy. It goes crazy. But when it's not moving, it's slow and just playing around. But once it starts to move, just forget about everything. It's going to really move. Like last week, we had a similar thing on BTC. Market wasn't moving. We were in a buy on BTC. On Saturday, we had a buy zone and a sell zone. Nothing was moving. Then suddenly we entered a buy about 10-15 minutes, just crazy candles coming in. That is really how BTC is. You need some patience for it. But once it starts moving, you would make your money fast and go. Is it live on YouTube? Okay. Is it live on YouTube? Okay. Is it lagging? Oh, it's fine. Those on YouTube, let me know. Is the live working well? Let's go, guys. Another Saturday, guys. You have not notified us in the group. I just did. I just sent the link to the group. I just sent it right now. And guys, let's do auto double tap and share the live. Let's double tap and share the live, guys. Let's double tap and share the live. Let's go. You're surprised I'm live. I come live to trade BTC. I've been live a couple of times to trade BTC. But I trade BTC on weekends with the community. You guys know that already. I trade BTC on weekends with the community. Last week we did, last 2 weeks we did. Almost every weekend we trade BTC in the community. Let me write the pair on the screen before someone comes to ask me, is it gold you are trading? Gold is closed. BTC 1R. Hey, good afternoon. I've learned a lot from you, but you might not even know me. I'm glad you've learned a lot from me. Really glad. That is really the essence, the importance of me coming live every day and to have this community just to make an impact, guys, to just help people become better traders. That is one significance of this live stream. And by the way, if you're new here, we go live every single day. From Monday to Friday, we trade gold live. And on weekends, we trade BTC. Okay? How is your health? Hope you're getting more healthier. I'm better, I would say. Way better now. And thanks for asking. Still waiting for those on YouTube to know if their live is just working well. I should teach you something. Ask me. I told you guys we'll be starting the classes very soon, right? That is the screen right there. It's been sitting there for the past 3 months. It's a teaching screen, like an interactive screen. But yeah, I'm going to start with the classes very soon, okay? With the Forex education. Have you sent the setup to the VIP? Not yet. Let me share the setup. And guys, I'm sharing this setup to the community now, okay? So just go join the Telegram channel. You'd find the setup in the Telegram group. So just head over to the link in my bio to join. I'm sharing it now. Sharing it now. Sharing it now. Let me check if YouTube is working well on my side. Hope it's not lagging today. Okay, let's see the live on YouTube is working well today. Working well. Awesome, 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 awesome. But yeah, guys, that is it. That is screen right there. We'll start the classes very soon. No worries, no worries. I'm gonna teach you guys. Don't worry. Are you going long or short? Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Just waiting for the zones on the screen first, okay? Nothing yet. I'm new. Can you please help me trade? Do you want to learn how to trade or you just want to start trading? Which one do you want? Edlax, which one do you want? Do you want to learn how to trade or you want to just start trading? Which of them do you want? Just want to make sure everything is showing well, guys. Then we get back to interacting in the comment. Need to make sure everyone sees the prices, everything well on the screen first. Yeah, the live on YouTube is fine. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Yesterday I was battling with YouTube. The internet was just wasn't going well for me yesterday. But I'm glad it's okay now. And by the way, guys, let's double tap. Let's double tap. Let's double tap. And guys, how's your weekend been? Have you been withdrawing your profits or you've left your profits for compounding next week? How's your weekend been? Have you withdrawn some profits so far? Let me know, guys. Let me know in the comments. Have you withdrawn some profits so far? Or you're hoping to compound your profits to trade gold again next week? Have you withdrawn some for yourself or you're waiting for gold next week? I've withdrawn, I've made some withdrawals, but let me know, what about you? Are you waiting for gold or you've withdrawn some profits already? You're healing from the losses. Damn. Compounding nicely. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Is there anyone who has withdrawn? I want to know what they did with the withdrawal. Did you go and spread your girlfriend, your wife, your kids? What did you do with your profits? Good day, live from SA Cape Town. Live is good on YouTube. What time frame is this? Time frame is on the screen. That is it. There's a time frame. How did you get a zone? It's going to take a lot of time to explain the zones, but don't worry, I'll do that. Compounding nicely. I lost half of my capital. Sorry about that. I bought an ice cream for myself. That is okay. That is great. That is great. Withdrawing in trading is something that satisfies you. It gives you this confidence that you can still move on, okay? It gives you that confidence to know that you can still make money from this market and buy things for yourself. So don't worry, you bought something for yourself. That is what matters. When I started trading, whenever I made some money, I bought shawarma for myself. When I started, once I make some money, I buy shawarma for myself. I just used to like this particular shawarma. So once I make some profit, I just buy something for myself. When I make a loss, I also buy something for myself. Just to make me know that this trading thing, I'm not giving up. Because I've seen money from trading, there's no way trading is going to make me give up. Losses won't make me give up. It will make you down, but you shouldn't let that make you give up. How did you get the zone? Please learn it. I'm starting the mentorship class next week, so you can join. Okay, Derek. The mentorship class is starting on the 18th of July, so you can join. You can join. You can join the upcoming mentorship class. It's a paid class, it's not a free class. I almost gave up last Thursday. Leonard, what happened? Why did you want to give up? What happened, Leonard? What happened? Leonard, what happened? What happened? Did you lose all your money? But when are you starting the live lessons? Blame the screen right there. Yeah, but don't worry, I'm going to be starting very soon, okay? I'm the kind of person when I'm starting something, I don't just jump into it. I like to plan things well before I start, okay? Like I told you guys, I've had this screen, the screen you see there, I've had it for almost 3 months. I bought it for almost $4,000. The screen you see right there. But then I haven't rushed to start the classes just because I have the screen. I need to plan things out very well just so that I can stay consistent with whatever I'm doing. That's the reason I'm still planning, okay? No worries, we will start very soon. I'm going to let you guys know when I start, okay? I'll let you guys know the days and the times just so we can all be consistent in all the classes, okay? No worries about that. But guys, let's double tap 3.7k. That is too small. I've been live for almost 20 minutes and the likes too low. The likes are too low, guys. The likes are too low. Now, guys, bear in mind, I have a sell zone up here. I don't know if it's showing. Let me check on TikTok. Is it showing? Okay, it's showing. This sell zone up here. I have a sell zone up here. Okay, that sell zone up there. Hoping we catch something from that zone also. I don't know if price gets there today or tomorrow or Monday or Tuesday or whatever. But then I'm looking at that zone also, okay? Looking at that same zone. BTC is teaching patience right now. BTC is a very slow pair, guys. But once it starts to move, it's crazy. It moves like with big candles in few minutes, consolidates, then move again. Consolidates, then to move it. That's how it is. That is how BTC reacts. Change Xness group partner. I join your channel. How many signals per day? I don't have a number of signals per day I provide. Once my setup plays out, you would have the signal, okay? I won't promise you 5 or 10 signals a day, but I promise you I will give you quality signals, okay? You don't need lots of signals in a day to make money. Some of you think you need thousands of signals or 20 signals or 10 signals in a signal group. That is not it, guys. If I'm in a group where they are giving me about 6 signals a day or even 4 or 5 signals, I'll be very scared of that group. I'm telling you guys the truth. If I were a beginner and I come to a signal community and you're giving me about 6 signals in a day, like what? The aim is to make money, right? Once you make some money on 2 or 3 signals, you should be able to tell yourself you're done. Because 6 signals in a day, trust me, 1 of them might be a loss, 2 of them might be a loss, 3 of them might end up in a loss, or even all 6 might end up being a loss with little profit. But then if you're able to catch at least 2 quality signals in a day, you can make something good from it. And I always tell my VIP members that if they want 20 or 30 pip setups, I can give it to them every single day. Setups on gold that give 20 pips, 30 pips, 20 pips, but that is not the aim. Why should we risk so much for 20 pips or 30 pips or 40 pips? Doesn't make sense. I'd rather get a setup that can give us 100, 200, 300, 400 pips than getting a setup that's just going to give us 20 pips, then we take another trade, 10 pips, we take another trade, 30 pips. Come on, guys. Be smart, be smart, be smart. Be smart in your trading, okay? You don't need many signals to be profitable in a day. You don't. You need good setups. You don't need quality. You don't need quantity, okay? You need quality signals. You need quality signals. What is your bias on BTC for the next 3 months? I'm not sure. I can't tell where BTC might head to. We can't even tell what it's going to do now and to predict for the next 3 months. We can't tell what BTC might do than to talk about what it's going to do in the next 3 months. Nah, guys. I'm sharing the setup to the community now, guys. Let me just share it quickly. The BTC, the setup for BTC, I'm going to share it very soon, okay? Let me share that very soon. You're from India. Awesome. Hello, I'm also from Ghana. How are you and how is India? How is India? I'm sharing the setup now to the community. Okay, should be in the community very soon. In about just few seconds, the setup should be in the community. Let me delete this and just decrease the font for this. Bring this up here. Decrease the font. Okay. This looks good. Sharing it now, guys. Sharing my BTC setup for today to the community. Okay, done sharing it, done sharing it. Okay, I've shared it, guys. Check the community. You would find the setup in the community, okay? Just check the community. Hey, Vijay, it's been a long time. Vijay, what's up? What's up? What's up? Is 61,800 a safe zone? 61,000. That is like way below. I haven't checked that area. Hope you and your family are doing great. Yes, Vijay, we are fine. We are doing awesome. How is your family too? Hope they are well. And how's your weekend going, Vijay? How is it going? Are you withdrawing some profits? But you are brave. Don't give up. Thank you. Thank you. What time frame? It's on the screen. It's on the screen. How often do you go live? I go live every day, guys. Those that join my live stream know already. I go live on Mondays to Fridays to trade gold. We trade only gold. Yesterday we traded gold on the live. We had 2 trades really hitting like very our main TP. So the first trade we took yesterday, we had a loss, was 42 pips on gold. The next trade hits all our TPs, 150 pips, and then the next trade went 170 pips. Okay, 170 pips. Last week I had just, I'm talking about last week, but this week from Monday to Friday I had just 2 losses on gold, with the last one being yesterday, 42 pips. Every trade I took has really gone very well for me this week, and the VIP also got a trade. My VIP members got my signal. Guys, let's double tap. Let's take a few minutes and just double tap, guys. Let's hope we catch a good one, as always. Let's hope we catch a good one, guys. Am I in Accra? Yes, I'm in Accra. But how can I fix BTC on Xness? I can't find cryptocurrency. Are you in Kenya? Joab, are you in Kenya? If you're in Kenya, you cannot trade BTC on Xness. It's not allowed there. But if you're not in Kenya, I can help you find where you can add that on your MT5, okay? Are we to sell or wait? We are waiting, guys. We are waiting. Though I have a level here for sale, I haven't really seen any good confirmations coming in, okay? This level, I haven't really had any strong closure below the level for sales. So that is the reason I'm not even looking at that area just yet. Nee, what's up? What's up? I'm fine, Nee. What's up? We are doing good, but we drew some profits on Thursday. Took 4 trades, 3 wins and a loss. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Glad you made some money. Are you looking at that zone of 63,117? Somewhere around that area. I have 2 levels I'm looking at. This zone here and then the red line below, okay? The red level below. Guys, let's double tap and share the live. Let's share the live. Let's invite others to join us to live trade today, guys. Let's share the live. Let's share the live, guys. Abba, I'm seeing you in my dream. What did it mean? Were you gifting me private jets in the dream? Then I can explain. Were you gifting me private jets in the dream? Were you gifting me private jets? What's your strategy on this setup? It's my strategy. That is. I have confirmations I use to get those zones and then to get confirmations. If you want to learn that, you can join the mentorship. It's starting next week, Saturday. Okay. Someone said it means you need a girlfriend. Interesting. Yeah, in Kenya. Yes, that is the reason. That is the reason. Derek Tony, I don't have a grand mentor. I don't have a grand mentor. Mama. I'm aiming at the zone of 63,000. Hope it doesn't miss. Let's see. Let's see. Let's go, guys. Guys, the likes are too low. Likes are too low, guys. What is happening? The likes are too low. Hoping to make some money on BTC today, guys. Really hoping to make some money on BTC. Say hello to Mama on our behalf. She's preparing some nice light soup. It's been smelling so good. And fufu. For this setup to take a trade and refresh my active status because I was kicked out because of inactive. So I found my account now. I really need this trade. Morgan, you can just place a trade on your account to activate it and go back to the bot, okay? Just go back to the bot. What does monitoring level mean? It means another buy zone I'm looking at, but I'm going to wait for confirmation from that area, okay? That's what the monitoring level looks. It's like, that's the name, monitor level. It means we are monitoring that level for very good confirmations. It means it's a good zone, but I'm still going to be monitoring it for some good confirmations. Do you teach Mama Forex? She wanted to learn the last time. Yeah. I started teaching her just like that. She doesn't understand then the buy and sell, and I just give up on her. She wants the money. She wants a withdrawal, but she doesn't want to learn it. She wants a withdrawal from trading, but she doesn't want to learn it. My mom. She says it's too stressful. If I'm there, why should she learn trading? But yeah, guys, she doesn't need to learn trading. I'm there for her. She doesn't need to learn it. I'll do all the hard work for her. But yeah, guys, let's see. I'm hoping if we have a good bearish closure below this level, okay, we might take some sales. I'm not sure what market will do yet. If we have a good bearish closure below this level, at least it closes below this level here. Not like it taps there and rejects, no. Closes, there's a good candle closure below that level, then we might be looking out for sales from that level, okay? But for now, nothing yet. I looking at Ethereum. I don't trade Ethereum. I've not looked at Ethereum like ever. Not looked at Ethereum ever before. Ever. Mama needs patience. The better daughter, I guess. My mom just wants to just get the withdrawals, but doesn't want to learn trading. You want some of the fufu? You can come around. I'll teach you guys something. Yeah, guys, you can ask any question, okay? Let me know what question do you have? If you have a question, you can ask. Someone is saying I should teach you guys something. I'm telling you guys, the screen for the teaching is what is there. That screen there is very expensive. But then it's just been lying here. It's for the classes, actually. We will be starting the classes very soon. I don't know if the screen is even visible on your screen. Let me check. Oh, it's not clear on TikTok. So that is it. That is my screen. My teaching screen. I'll be using it for the classes once I start, okay? It's a very good screen. Very good one. Very good brand too. Very good brand. You know, in buying this screen, the people I bought this screen from, they are in Ghana here actually, okay? But they had to ship it over. We got this screen, went with my husband, we got it, they came back, brought us a screen with the different specs. Went back again, different specs. And we told them this thing is very expensive. This thing is like a little over 40,000 Ghana cedis. The screen right here, that is like about $4,000. And they keep on bringing us different specs. We want this, then they'll bring this. We want this. It was stressful, guys. So the week I had really planned to do the classes, they stressed me throughout the whole week. They said with the one I wanted, it was going to come very soon. So I think about 4 or 5 days, they brought the screen back. And since then, I haven't really used it for the classes. But I'm still structuring things for the classes because I want to stay consistent with it, okay? Once I have all the plan down, it's very soon, like this July, yeah. We'll start the classes this July. And that is not a mentorship class. It's simply a class where I'm going to teach, okay? But not necessarily to mentor or to teach you my strategy in quotes. That is exclusive to the mentorship program. I used to have appetite to pursue my master's, but trading is taking full diet now. Do your master's. I have my master's degree. I had my master's degree from UK, okay? So do your master's. I have my master's degree, but I'm still here. In Management Information System, MIS. But I'm still here, okay? If you have to pursue school, do it, add it to your portfolio. You want to say hello, Ariel? Go and clean your nose and come. Come and say hello to my friends. My daughter wants to come and say hello. I'm sure you guys saw her video where she was trying to mimic whatever I've been doing on the live. One time she said she wants to be like me, and I said okay, she should come and sit in this chair. So she came around and she started, let's go guys, let's go. I said, this is what I've been doing. So when I say guys, let's go, let's double tap. Don't know, she's been watching everything. Telling me, let's go guys, let's go. It's crazy. You didn't wash your face well. You still have some water on your face. You have to use tissue to clean it, okay? Say hello to my friends.
Hello. But they are not talking.
They are not talking because I'm reading their chats. Their messages are here. If you know how to read, you just interact with them. But they won't talk back.
Why?
Because it's the internet. You can read people's messages. They don't need to talk back. I have to interact with them. So say something nice to them.
Well, I'm fine. I'm going to be smart in my school.
You want to be smart in your school? Yeah. You don't want to be a Forex trader?
I'll be a Forex trader.
And what do Forex traders do?
They work so hard.
They work so hard. She said Forex traders work so hard. Anyway, you can go. Hurry, I'm going to help Mama in the kitchen. Hurry. She said Forex traders work so hard. I don't blame her for saying that. When I'm here working or I'm in a trade, she comes around, I'm like, go, I'm busy. It's crazy. Do you know stop loss?
Lose money.
Do you know stop loss?
Yes.
What does stop loss mean?
Lose money.
And what does take profit mean?
Ta-da.
It's beautiful. Go to your brother, okay? She knows stop loss. I've been trying to teach her take profit, but she doesn't. Come in. No. Take it to the kitchen. You're messing up. Hurry up, come in. Take it away. Hurry. Go with him. I've been trying to teach her what take profit is, but she always knows only stop loss. Just stop loss. That's all that she knows. Lose money. It's surprising. I've been trying to tell her trading means when we trade, we are trying to make money. But she said it means we will lose money. I'm like, why is this girl not understanding profit? She just understands the loss aspect of trading. Copy and paste from me. You should see her dad. She looks like her dad more. Her eyes, actually, she looks more like her dad too. But when I look at her, I see my childhood, like clear picture of me when I was a kid. Do you sell books? Hey, I'm a Forex trader, okay? I'm not a writer. I'm a Forex trader, I'm not a writer. She'll come and say, guys, let's go. I'm telling you, if I leave her here just for a second, without she knowing that I'm live or there are people watching, she will mimic me exactly. But you had the appetite to go for PhD, but what happened? What trading did to you? Yeah, guys. I didn't have the appetite for PhD. We got to a point where my trading wasn't picking up for me so well. So my husband told me, like I was making money, but I wasn't like crazy money. So he was like, Abba, you know what? I think you should go and do your PhD. Go to Canada and do your PhD. And I'm like, oh, no, I want to be a trader and blah, blah, blah. He's like, nah, I have to go and do my PhD. So I told him, I said, okay, you know what? Give me 2 years. If I don't make it in trading, okay, I'll go and do the PhD. I told him, if I don't make it in trading, I'll go and do the PhD. And I'm really glad I took that decision. Because by now, I'd have been somewhere in Canada doing my PhD. And probably, I would have been done by now. I'd have been done. Is your husband a trader? He's a trader, but he's not a full-time trader like myself. He trades, but not full-time like me. She's learning to protect her capital. Maybe. Kwame, go back to... No, take it back. Kwame. You... Okay, come and clean it. Okay? You messed up your dress. Yes, it's dry. It's dry, okay? Go to mama. Hurry up. Go to mama. Mama is calling you. As these kids are home, they will worry me today, guys. They're supposed to go with my mom to my their grandparents' house. Mama, but they... Kwame wants to trade. Aya, come for Kwame, please, okay? I'm working. No. Okay, then... Okay, then go by yourself. Mama, but you're from Mama, right? Alright, someone is saying hello to you. The person said hello. No, you don't need to come. I'm just saying someone said hello to you, okay? The person is called Jeffo. Jeffo Photography. He said hello to you. Let me talk to him. You can't talk to them. Why? Because I don't even have their numbers. I'll get the person's number for you. Then you say hello, okay? Go with mama. Very soon, they'll go back to my mom's house very soon for vacation, and I'll be free, guys. Mostly, I don't come on weekends to trade because sometimes they are home, and when they are home and I'm not like I don't have that serene environment to come live. It's really hard because they'll keep on distracting and coming in the live and all of that. She's mini me, yeah. But she looks more like her dad too. Her eyes especially. Yeah, but let's see BTC, guys. Let's see BTC. If we're able to close bearish, very good bearish candle, we might have a trade coming in very soon. Let's just see what market does. And guys, if you're new here, go join the Telegram channel. Guys. Join free Telegram channel, link in bio. Yeah, if you want me to teach something, guys, just ask any question. Ask any question. And let's interact as we wait for the zone. If you have any question, you can ask. Okay? What strategy are you using? It's my strategy. Guys. It's my strategy. And I'll be teaching that in the next mentorship class very soon. Is your husband also a trader? He trades, but he's not a full-time trader. He's not full-time like myself. But your analysis is beautiful as you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Hello, sister. Reselling. I just joined the live stream. You're not selling yet. Not yet. I need some good candle closure, okay? Below that red line. That is what I'm waiting for. Is Daddy also a trader? No, he isn't, guys. He's not a trader. He isn't. My husband isn't a trader. I have that question almost every time. He's more like my investor, but he's not a trader. He's the one that has been investing in me since, funding me, and I'm blowing it, and he's funding me, and I'm blowing it, and he's funding me, and I'm blowing it, and yeah, he's really believed in the dream from day one. He's really believed in the dream from day one. He's always been saying it, that he believes in this forex thing I'm doing. He believes in it. He believes in it. Do you have your own trading books? No, I don't. I don't have a trading book. I have difficulty analyzing myself. I use advanced price action. Why do you have difficulty analyzing? Is it that you don't have the confidence to take the trades, or why? Why do you think you have difficulty analyzing? Will you advise for a prop firm? This thing has come up on the live several times. So I'm not an advocate for prop firms. I believe prop firms are meant, you guys won't agree with me, but I don't think they are meant for traders, okay? It's more like a business. It's not meant to help you become a better trader. It's a business. That is what I believe in. And also, I always advise you to trade your own funds than to trade prop firms. Because trust me, I know you've been trading prop firms, you've bought prop firms, you've tried passing several times, but how has it ended for you? It's a cycle. It's an addictive cycle where you end up depositing, buying accounts, until eventually you are worn out and you have no funds to buy accounts. You think that is the way to make money? See, anyway, it's not necessary, guys. But just trade your real funds, okay? Trade your real funds. There's not everything you need to know. Just trade your real funds. The way to a wise. That is all I can say. Okay, Mirage Seller. That is how you get blocked from the live stream, okay? Bye-bye. But teach me how to handle XAUSD. Why? Trading gold is very easy, guys. Trust me. Amidst all the volatility, it's one of the pairs that can give you like quick money. Okay? People are just scared of the risk. And the reason is the lot size you'd mostly use on currency pairs shouldn't be the same lot size you are using on gold. And it's because on gold, you end up risking a lot on gold. You end up having to have a higher stop loss than you'd have on GBPUSD or on EURUSD. On EURUSD, you can even have a stop loss of just even 5 pips or even 6 pips or 10 pips and you'll be fine. But when it comes to gold, 10 pips you will not last. You not even last 2 seconds in the market. So when it comes to gold, the easiest way to handle gold is to reduce the lot size you mostly use on EURUSD or on GBPUSD. Reduce that when you're using gold. Don't use the same 0.1 or 0.2 you use on EURUSD or on GU on gold on your small $100. On your $100, you can use 0.1 on EU or GU and risk maybe 10 pips or 5 pips, and you end up losing like $1 or something. But if you end up 10 pips, you're using like $10, okay? But when you come on gold and you want to use 0.1 and use a stop loss of let's say 50 pips, which makes sense now, that is usually losing $50. So in that case, just reduce your lot. Reduce your lot when it comes to trading gold, and you'll be fine. It's not a scary pair, trust me. Trading gold is not scary at all. When I started, I thought it was scary too. I thought it was scary because it took most of my monies. All my adversities with trading began with gold. They all began with gold. Do you have a VIP group? Yes, I do. It's on the screen. It's written in yellow. If you're interested, you can just send a WhatsApp, okay? It's a free group for XNES, those that use XNES. So if you use XNES, yes, you can join the VIP for free. Yeah, silver too is crazy, guys. Silver is crazy to trade, but I love silver. I can go on EU and use like 20 lots on EU and I'll be fine. But if I come on gold, I have to be reasonable. Because you can't carry 20 lots on gold. Heish. You need, it means unless you are risking all of your accounts or all your 20K account or your 15K account. But then if you're going to be trading EU, you'll be fine. You'll be fine on EU, trust me. You'll be fine. But on gold, you'll not be fine. That zone is strong. Price is rejecting many times. Yeah, I've seen that also. I think it was on the 15 minutes. I saw several rejections in that area. Was it 15 minutes, or let me check this time frame. I saw it earlier before I came live. All of these projections here. Okay, but I won't conclude until I have a good bearish closure. That is why I keep on waiting for that level. I need a good bearish closure for that, for this red line, okay? A very good bearish closure before we can conclude on good sales coming in. But for now, no closure, no closure, no closure. We just need to wait. We just gotta wait. And by the way, guys, I'm still looking for a very good videographer. If you have anyone like that, let me know, okay? Looking for a videographer. Not just a videographer, someone who understands lighting, okay? Lighting, you know how to do studio lighting. That is what the kind of person I'm looking for. You don't need to worry about the gadgets. I have everything. You just need to know how to do all of that. I know how to do those things myself, but I'm very busy. I won't be able to, edit my videos like I used to and all. So I need someone to work with long term on a salary basis, okay? If you have someone like that, just let me know. I need someone to work with on a salary basis, like a long term contract. Salary based contract. If you have someone like that in Ghana, let me know, okay? Let me know. Very good editor. They can also set up lighting very well. Not someone who just holds camera, okay? Difference between someone who just holds camera and then someone who understands studio lighting. I need someone like that, okay? Because with holding camera, we can all hold camera. We can all hold and press record. I'm trying to check that level on my side here. This level looks good, but we need good confirmations there. We need good candle closure in that zone before we can conclude on sales. Which level? This red line here, okay? I'm waiting for a candle closure below the zone before we conclude on sales. If not, there's no trade in that zone for sales just yet. A good bearish candle, something like this. Like a candle closure, something like this. Like I need a closure, something like this, okay? Like a good candle closure before we can conclude on buys from this level. Maybe a retest, then we can dump price down. But for now, we are just waiting to see what market will do. The closure is still not certain. You can see it's rejected again. The silver and gold market is the same. Sometimes the structure is different. It's different. By the way, guys, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What time frame am I trading? It's on the screen. It's on the screen, guys. It's on the screen. What is the perfect time to increase lot size? When you scale up your equity, then you can increase lot size, okay? You don't just increase your lot size because you've increased your trading skills or you've grown in your trading skill. You increase your lot size based on your equity, your money, okay? That is when you increase lot size, not just because Now you are a Forex guru, so you want to increase lot size. Nah. Where do you put stop loss on this trade? I haven't entered any trade yet, but mostly on BTC, my stop loss is not really big. Not really big. Very small compared to gold. So we won't get any books when we join the mentorship. I have books. Even my VIP members, I've given them books to read. In the free VIP, the Exness VIP, they have books they are reading, okay? But you see, you don't need books to become a better trader. I have not even read a lot of books in trading. You don't need books to become a better trader. You just need books to expand your knowledge. But books won't teach you how to trade. Okay? You don't need books. You don't really need books. You can read if you want to, but you don't need books to become a very good trader. Nah. So if you don't get books, don't worry, okay? I'm going to give you books, but if you don't get any, don't worry. No, I've never traded platinum. Nah, I haven't. How much do I really need to trade and be profitable? It depends on what you consider as being profitable, okay? It's relative. If you're making $50 a day, is you being profitable? I mean, compared to your account balance and how much you've grown your account over time, okay? The increment. If that is what you consider profitable, most of those things are relative. And that's why I always tell my VIP members and those in my mentorship that don't let anyone define anything for you in trading. When I say define, people to give you clear cut in stone things that risk 1% on a trade or trade this amount or do this. Everything in trading is relative. Even the setups are relative. The confirmations are relative. Profit is relative. I would see maybe $10 and I would be like, this is like big money for me. You see $10 and you'll be like, nah, there's not big money. I'll let it go. It all really depends on you. Okay? It all really depends on you. It's not about what someone is doing. If you have $100 and you make $10 and you think you are comfortable, this is money that you need. $10 in Ghana cedis should be like 120 Ghana cedis. If you think you need 120 cedis for a day, take it. Go and buy some fried rice here, some drink here, it can sort you out like quite good in a day. But then someone might see it and be like, nah, they don't need this money. They need $100 to survive that day. It all depends on your needs, okay? Being profitable is relative. It's really relative. Oh, Adam Steven, really? I never knew. Interesting. I've been trading for almost 5 months, but whenever I press a trade, my heart pumps feel like that of a lizard. Sometimes I jump out of profitable trades and watch it go without me. Abba, what can I do? You are a beginner. You've been trading for 5 months. It's because you have seen losses. You know how it feels like to enter a trade and then be in a loss. That is how come your heart pumps whenever you enter a trade. Because you're expecting or you think that trade will hit a loss or you're scared to lose your money. Once you press buy or sell, know that you have forfeited some amount of money in your account to the market. That is how I always think. If I have, let's say, $5,000 in my account, I have $10,000. And I know on this trade, my lot I've put on is going to take $2,000 from my account. When I'm trading, my whole mind is this money is at $8,000 already. I've already conditioned that in my mind. This account is at 8,000 already. That 2K is gone. So I'm not hoping. Once I enter the trade, I'm hoping the market to go my way. But in my mind, the account is already at $8,000. That is how I think. So once I enter the trade, I'm not going to be panicking or be waiting for market to. I don't panic and I don't jump out of the trade because I'm already at peace with the lot I've put on the account and then the loss I'm expecting out of it. It's hard when you're a beginner. Trust me, it's really hard. But you'll be fine eventually, okay? You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Just be okay with your loss. Be at peace before you press buy or sell. And it's also because you haven't planned the trade well. Some of you just go to your MT5 and any candle that starts to pop up attracts you. It calls you to come. Then you go and press buy or sell. It's because that trade you didn't plan for it. So once you enter, you don't even know what market might do. You start panicking. You start being anxious because you haven't purposed the loss or you haven't come at peace with the loss in your account. If you have planned a trade, like how I have my possible sell zone here, when I'm pressing buy or sell, I'm not now going to panic unless I don't have confirmation here and I press sell here just because I don't know the candle starts to come down and I press sell here without having any good confirmation or no zone there. I'm going to panic. I'm telling you, I'm going to panic. But then if it's a zone I have drawn down, I'm waiting for the zone or I have good confluences there, trust me, I'm at peace when I'm in a trade. But you can't make money off this market if you're also not ready to risk. I always tell people that if you can't risk money, if you can't even risk $10 on a trade, leave trading and then go and do a 9 to 5. Because with 9 to 5, you are sure to get at least your 3,000 cedis or your 4,000 cedis a month. You are assured whether you go to work or whether you don't go to work, your company is still going to pay you. Whether you finish your KPIs or you don't complete your KPIs, you are sure they will still pay you that amount. But with trading, it's not cut in stone. Things change in trading. Things really change, okay? This month you might make $100. The next month you might make maybe a $50. The next month you might make $300. The next month you might make $1,000. Then the next month you make $500. Things fluctuate in trading. Isn't that tweezer before the small candles? Yeah, that's a tweezer. But I'm not going to conclude on that yet because we have a closure also above. This level here is a pivotal level, okay? I need a closure, a strong closure below the zone here before I can conclude on sales. If not that, I'm not going for any trade around that level, even though it's a tweezer, okay? Abba, I wish I can join the upcoming mentorship, but lectures won't allow me. I wish after graduation the mentorship will be available. I might stop physical mentorship very soon. I told you guys. I mean, having a mentorship online, I might stop that very soon because it takes a lot of my time on weekends too. So if you have this time, you can get in. You can get in now, okay? Where am I from? I'm from Ghana. Where are you from too? Options. Where are you from? Can you explain leverage for me? Yes, I can. So leverage is simply using borrowed funds, okay, from the broker. And it's mostly to help boost your purchasing power. So you see how when you go to the market, you'd have about, let's say you have 200 cedis, okay? But then you want to go and purchase, you want to go and buy chicken, you want to go and buy some fish, you want to go and buy some spices here, you want to go and buy oil. But then your 200 Ghana cedis won't last. So you go and I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm going to give you, let's say 500 cedis to add. Just go and buy the things you do and all of that. When you get the money, or once you are done, you get money, or you go and sell the things or whatever you do, bring my money back to me. So when you have $100 in your account and you go to, let me just get my part 2. When you go to the market, okay, you go to your brokerage side and then you see a leverage of, let's say 1:10, okay? It means that if you have $100 in your account, if you have 100 here, $100, it means that every $1 in this $100 is seen as $10. So at the end, this $100 times 10 is your purchasing power you have now. So that would be you trading $1,000 instead of $100. In the eyes of the market, you are trading $1,000 instead of $100 based on the leverage you have chosen. Now with that same leverage, I can decide to choose a leverage of 1:100 with my $100. Why is this thing not drawing? This $100 that you have here, this is the money, right? I can decide to use a leverage of 1:100 instead of 1:10, meaning that I'm going to have more purchasing power than you. That means if I go on my MT5, I can open more positions, I can purchase more, I can open more positions of buys or sales until my leverage is exhausted. So if you have $10, $100, and you use 1:10, and I use 1:100, it means that we'll get to a point you start maybe opening some buy positions, buy 0.01, buy 0.01, and they will tell you not enough volume or not enough money or no money. Means your leverage has been exhausted. I don't know if it makes sense. Same thing, someone can also choose to use the leverage of 1:2000. That is also huge. XNets give 1:2000. Now, with that same $100, if you're using 1:2000, it's simply this $100 times 2,000. How much do we get? Someone should calculate and type it in the comments for me. How much do we get? How much do we get? 100 times 2,000. Let me even add it myself. So 00, that is 200,000. Am I correct? Please check for me, okay, before I give some wrong Answers here. Is it 20,000 or 200,000? 20,000 or 200,000? This is 2 zeros. So it's 200. 200, not 20. Yes, it's 200,000. So meaning that someone has a $100 account, they can choose leverage of 1:10. It means that they have the purchasing power of $1,000, right? But then if I have the same $100 and I choose a leverage of 1:2,000, means that I can buy and sell and make transactions on the market to the tune of 200,000. Means that I can flip my account faster because I can open more positions. But then there is a negative aspect of using leverage. Even though it helps boost your profit, it can also take your profit faster. It can help you blow your account faster. Because same way, once you have opened more positions, if price starts to come against you, okay, or market starts to not go in your direction, you lose your account faster because you have made a lot of transactions. I don't know if it makes sense. And mostly I liken it to buying shares, okay, buying shares in a company. The more shares you buy, okay, when the company increases, the more dividends you get, right? Let's say you buy 2,000 shares and the company increases by, let's say, 50% in a year. The money you bought 20 shares. Let's say I bought 300 shares, right? My risk in the company was higher. I bought 300 shares. You bought just 20. Now, if the company increases 50% in value, my shares go up. I get more dividends from the shares I bought. You also get dividends from the shares you bought also. But then if the company collapses, I lose faster. I will lose big monies. I might lose everything, but you will not lose much. You will still be safe. So using leverage, well, is good. But then the more you are able to buy and sell, bear in mind that the faster you can also lose your funds. I don't know if it's clear. Is leverage clear for you guys? Is it clear? The one who asks of leverage, is leverage clear for you? Is leverage clear, guys? What if I blow the account? Will you pay it back? Who pays it back for you? Nobody pays it back for you. So the money that is given to you, it's simply the broker that backs you, okay, with funds, mostly virtual funds. Okay, but at the back end of the broker, you are trading that big money. But then on your MT5, you will still see $100. But at the back end, it looks like you are trading $100,000. So that $100, you can flip your account faster if market goes your way. But then if you blow it, you cannot blow the broker's money they have given out to you. So if the broker gave you $9,000 to add to your $1,000 to trade to the tune of $10,000, once you lose your 1K, okay, the broker takes their 9,000 out and then you are left with zero. I don't know if it makes sense. I have to take a lot of time to illustrate it for you guys. Because when I'm teaching some of these things, I use a screen, okay, to teach that in the mentorship, just to make sure that you understand. Leverage, margin, lot sizes, one of the basic things you need to understand in trading. But don't worry, guys. Those who are in the mentorship, I'm going to teach you guys all of this. Leverage is sweet. It's sweet, but sometimes, guys, it's not so sweet. Leverage is sweet sometimes, but not so sweet. On activities of the big nations and the strength of the dollar. I don't get what you mean. Evans, what do you mean? What do you mean? Unless I'm not getting you. So you won't do mentorship anymore. I'm doing mentorship, but very soon I might stop having mentorship. I mean, mentorship where I come on live and I'm teaching. Now, I might just record my videos down because many people just ask me for mentorship here and there. But very soon I'm going to stop that. I'm going to stop, okay? I'm going to stop mentorship very soon. So if you want to join, who was asking? Jesse. Yeah, if you want to join, you can join next week mentorship, okay? Someone say no more chat beasts. Don't worry. We will still do that. Liquidity, when it comes to the chart, liquidity is you simply having, I've explained liquidity several times. Okay, areas where money is sitting. Mostly you see them as double tops. Let me pick the path 2. So whenever you go to the chart and then you are seeing like a double top, okay, this area here has liquidity sitting there, means orders were placed there, market got there, pushed down, got there again, pushed down. If it comes back to the same zone and then pushes down again, you know there's liquidity sitting above these areas, okay? So when you come to the chart, the simplest way I teach people, when you see double tops, double bottoms, they are areas of liquidity. That is it. Someone was asking about swap. Yes, swap. So when you hold your trade overnight on any brokerage, okay, sometimes they charge you for holding your trade overnight. And more like a fee, some small fee that you pay to the broker for holding your trade overnight. That is simply what it is. What strategy do I use? I use my strategy. And guys, you understand why we didn't conclude on sales at this level? Just look at how market is rejecting. If we get a closure, then we can conclude on the sales. But if there's no closure, I'm not going to risk sales from that area, okay? With those asking the questions, join the mentorship, okay? Join the mentorship program. I'll be answering every single thing there. My mentees are here. If they realize I'm just giving everything out, they'll be like, but we paid for this, But yeah, guys, don't worry. I already taught you guys liquidity, swap, leverage. I've taught leverage a lot of time on even the live. And on my Monday live analysis, and guys, by the way, every Monday morning I go live on YouTube and on TikTok to analyze gold, silver, GBP USD, Euro USD, and then BTC every Monday morning at 8 a.m. GMT. If you don't want to miss it, just join my Telegram channel. Currently, we have 5,700 and something in the Telegram channel, okay? Do well to join so that you don't miss it when I'm going live. How much for mentorship? It's 500 USD. For 3 months, the 3 months program. From beginner, intermediate, advanced, and I teach you the strategy. Also, the strategy. Can I start with $10? You can start with $10 to test the market, but then it's not sustainable. Especially if you're going to be trading gold, $10 is not sustainable for you, okay? $10 isn't sustainable, but you can still trade with it. Just that the monies you're going to see won't be monies that might satisfy you. But yes, you can still do something with it. You can still try it out. Let me change the music to something vibrant.
I'm begging you, stop saying, I'm good, thanks. I'm good, thanks.
Okay. Let's go, guys. Let's go. BTC is one pair. The moment you leave it, it goes crazy. Like, we can just say, oh, guys, let's just take a break. But BTC will just jump out of nowhere and start being volatile. That is one disadvantage of it. So which currency can I start $10 with? Euro USD, GBP USD. You can start with those pairs, okay? It's traded on a prop firm healthy. If it works well for you, stick to it, okay? I don't advise prop firm, but if it works well for you, you can stick to it. It's not something I advise, but if it works well for you, you can stick to that, okay? Yes, you can trade GBP USD. Yes, it's not open now. It's going to open Sunday evening, but it's not open now. How can we gain money from our broker? The broker gives you access to trade the forex market, so you don't gain money from the broker. When you make your profit, the broker pays you your profits, okay? Let's just analyze. On Monday morning, you come live. I analyze the markets live, okay? And then we trade live also. Every Monday morning, I analyze live. GBP USD, gold, and other pairs. Today, we are live trading BTC. You really understand what you do. Thank you. I learned through losses. I learned through a lot of losses. You guys might see me today and think, oh, Abbas had this thing easy. Trust me, if you know my story, it wasn't easy, guys. It wasn't easy. It wasn't easy. Forex made me depressed at a point. It made me depressed and frustrated with life. And I know as I'm talking, there might be someone going through the same thing also. They're also feeling depressed, thinking, this trading thing is all a scam. God, why me? Why me? Why are people making money? Why me? Why me? You are not alone. There are many people going through that, okay? It's not just you, okay? It's not just you. It's not just you. So whenever you think of saying, God, why me? Why me? Why is it not going well for me? Why are people making money from trading? Mostly it's because you go and see someone post something online or another trader doing something massive. Then you start feeling down about yourself. You see, just that moment, you let it define how you feel. But you are really much more than that. Once you are not in your element, you feel like everything is against you. You're not alone, okay? You're not alone. We've all been there. I even had to let my daughter fall down at a point because she was crying. She wanted breast milk. I was in losses. I was also crying from the loss. And she was my daughter, the one you guys just saw. She was a baby then. I was in a loss. She was also crying. She started rolling on bed. Like, I think about 6 months she was rolling on bed and all. I was in a big loss and she was also crying in the room. She had just woken up. Me too, I was crying. Like, we were both crying. And then the next thing I heard, she just fell off the bed, like, to the floor because of trading. I cried badly because now my troubles had become two. I was in a loss. My daughter had fallen down. I'm like, God, why? Guys, I've cried before. Trust me. I've cried badly before from trading. I've cried badly before. But sometimes I'll just watch a trade and then watch my account blow. Just watches the account blow and I just put the phone down and burst into tears like, what is happening, God? I just lie flat on the floor. On the cold floor, I will lie down and cry. Lie down and cry, God, what is happening? Why is trading doing this to me? Why? Guys, I didn't know one day trading was going to become the best thing of my life. But when things haven't happened, you fail to see the future. You fail to see it. You fail to see how better you become. You fail to see how better you become. Someone's asking, with this time frame, you have to hold your trade like hours or a day. So when I come on TikTok and I'm showing you my time frames, it's simply to let you see the candles I'm drawing my zones from, okay? If I show you my time frame on 15 minutes, you probably see my chart like this. Oh, my Safari is frozen. My Safari is frozen. I'm not able to scroll again. It's frozen. It's frozen. I hope my video is not frozen too. Let me check. My Safari is frozen. It's frozen. I'm not able to click anything on it. Guys, give me a while, okay? Let me quit my Safari and then let me reopen it. My Safari was frozen. Just had to quit it and then restart it. It's made my YouTube end. Am I still live on YouTube, guys? Am I still live on YouTube? Let me know in the comments. Am I still live on YouTube? Those watching on YouTube, let me know if I'm still live on YouTube or it's messing up. Am I still live on YouTube, guys? Am I live? Because my Safari ended. I had to quit it. Teachers flipping. You guys want to flip your account? I will teach someone flipping and the next thing I hear, I blew my account from your flipping strategy. If I teach you guys flipping, I know the terrible things some of you are going to do. I'm live on YouTube. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Thank you. I had to quit my Safari because it wasn't responding. So if I go ahead to show you my candle, like my 15 minutes chart, okay, this is how you see my chart. It's going to look like this for you. Do you guys want to see this on your TikTok? Let me know. Is this okay for you guys? Is this okay? If I show the screen like this, is it going to be okay? You see, we need to see the candles very well. I need you to see the zones I'm looking at. Today, 45 minutes wasn't giving me the zones very well. That's why I chose to use the 1 hour, okay? So that you can see the candles well. But when I'm taking my entries, I'm going to take my entries from the 15 minutes, 5 minutes. That's why I take my entries from. That is why I take my entries from. How can I use my TikTok on PC like this? Just use Live Studio, okay? TikTok Live Studio. Just use TikTok Live Studio. You'll be fine. Okay, I think this should look better. Abba and her voice. You guys love my voice, but when I sing, you run away. I told you the day we hit 1K views on the live, we got there some time ago. I think we got to like 900 and something on a live. But the day we hit 1K views, guys, you give me a song and I'll sing the song live for everyone. My singing voice is very horrible. I'm not proud of my singing voice. I love to sing when I'm alone. It sounds like the best thing on earth when I'm singing alone. How do you get a pivotal level? I teach that in the mentorship, okay? It's part of the strategy. Want me to spill everything here for you guys? But yeah, guys, that is it. That is it. There was someone who was asking about trading, like how they are struggling and all of that. I've struggled before too in trading. I've struggled a lot. Really struggled a lot in trading. I had to borrow monies here and there. People scammed me. Telegram scammers scammed me. Did a lot of things. You know that time when you are trading and you're in losses and you wake up and you even forget to shower or brush your teeth. The first thing is like you're on the chat trying to look for setups. It's crazy, guys. Trading can be very addictive. If you don't control yourself, it can be very addictive for you at a point. It can be very addictive for you at a point. This thing was here yesterday. How did it end up there? But that day you sing. Which one is that? Which one is God Genog? Which one is that? How is your mentorship? My mentorship is on weekends. So I just finished with my last mentorship. Was it last week Sunday or last week Sunday, I think. Last 2 weeks Sunday. No, wasn't this like this past Sunday, the week before. That's when I finished the last mentorship. So I just took some 2 weeks off before I started this new one. My mentorship is for 3 months, okay? So we have from beginner session. If you don't know anything about trading, you can join the mentorship. So from beginner, we go to the intermediate aspect, we go to the advanced side, and then I teach you my strategy. My strategy, I used to draw my zones, my entry confluences, my entry criteria, all of those things. I teach that in the mentorship. And it's on weekends, Saturdays, Sundays, around this time, okay, at 12 p.m. This is 1:21. But most I start around 12 p.m. GMT. 12 p.m. But the lifestyle I want can only be given to me by trading. Trust me, the lifestyle we all want, we haven't even attained that yet. But we are going to get that from trading. Definitely, trading will feed us that lifestyle we want. What I want to achieve in trading, I've not even achieved. Some of them, I've achieved some of it. But then, the ones I want to achieve, guys, hopefully, guys will see it. You see it. But low-key, I've suffered, though. I'm telling you guys, I've suffered crazily. In trading, I've suffered. Have you seen a pregnant woman studying around 2 a.m., learning trading around 2 a.m. before? I was the one. I wasn't sleeping. Breastfeeding mother. My mom just said it. Breastfeeding mother. Trust me, guys. I took trading serious. Even amidst the losses, I was still crazy about. I knew I would make it from this thing. So I have to learn it. I have to understand it well. And I'm glad I didn't give up. If I'd given up by now, I'd have been in a 9-to-5 somewhere. And maybe just getting a boss to shout on me and give me some emails to send. And That is not bad. That is not bad. But growing up, I always knew I wanted something I could do for myself. Just be home and just work. Because I love IT. I love IT so much. So I just thought I would just get some remote job. Just stay home. I mean, it will be a 9 to 5, but it will be a remote job that I can just stay home and work. That was my aim. I didn't know that aim will end up being Forex trading. That I'll end up getting my financial freedom through Forex. Please open an academy. Let's see, guys. But for now, I just have my classes online. Okay, it's very effective. But don't worry, the academy plan has come up a couple of times. But I'm still going to. I'm going to see. And by the way, guys, if you use Xness, you can join my VIP for free. Okay. This week we had just 2 losses in the VIP on gold. With the last one being yesterday, we had a 42 pip stop loss on gold yesterday. Aside that, every single trade has been a win, a very good winning trade. Yesterday we had 3 trades. The first one was a loss. That was the second loss of the week. Actually, we had 150 pips on 170 pips. The week before, I had just 1 loss on gold also. So our win rate is very high in the VIP. And I have most of my VIP members also on the live. Most of my VIP members are watching me live. So if I'm telling lies, they will come and say, you're telling lies. They are in there. They know what is happening there. And guys, if you're new here, just join the Telegram channel, okay? Find the link in my bio and then join the free Telegram channel. It's for free, guys. You're also here. You're in a VIP, I guess. You're new to my page. You're welcome. Which country are you from? And it's been a while we did this, guys. Let me know where you're watching me from. I know I'm going to have Indians. I'm going to have Nigerians. Definitely Nigerians and Ghanaians. Those are the 3 I know I'm going to have. Ghanaians, Nigerians, and Indians. I know I'm going to have Kenyans also. Zambians, I'll have Zambia. I would have Uganda, yes. And South Africa. Why did I guess I was out? Oh, South Africa. I know I'll get South Africa here. Okay, I've seen South Africa, Ghana, UK. Guys, where are you watching me from? Yes, I'm fine. I'm doing well. Ghana, UK, Thailand, awesome. Kenya, Uganda, definitely. Nigeria, definitely. Botswana, wow, nice. UJ, which one is UJ? UJ. Guys, which country is UJ? Is it UK? South Africa. Guys, where are you watching me from? Just type it in the comments. I'm currently in Accra, Ghana. Where are you watching me from? UK, but Ghanaian, awesome. Uganda, Nigeria. This flag looks like, is it Zambia or Kenya? This is a Kenyan flag, Kenya, right? Ryan, is it Kenya? I'm new to your page and I tested the WhatsApp lines you put on your screen. Okay, Cherry, I'm going to respond to you, okay? Botswana, Cameroon, Ghana, Kenya, Jamaica, Wagwan. Abuja, Nigeria. Kenya, awesome. Yeah, that flag was Kenya. I know it was Kenya. I can't find 45 minutes when I connect Xness to MT5. So when you go on MT5, the time frames you would find are 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, and 30 for the minutes. If you want 45 minutes, you have to use TradingView, okay? 254, which country? Is it Kenya? 254 is Kenya. I'm joining VIP soon. You're welcome. And guys, if you use Xness, the VIP is for free, okay? You can join for free. Which country? I'm in Ghana. Where is your Telegram? Find the link in my bio, okay? Tap on my name on TikTok. Just tap on my name. Go to my bio, tap on the link there, and then copy and paste it into your Safari or your Google Chrome. +267, guys. I don't know the country code. +267. Let me just check. Or which country is +267? Which country is +267? For mentorship, guys, just send a DM, okay? Just send a DM. Send a DM to the WhatsApp number on the screen. We on a party like it's 22 tonight. GBPJPY. Today you want us to trade GBPJPY. It's closed. It's closed. But I will analyze the J on Monday. Okay, Monday I go live on YouTube and on TikTok. So on Monday, definitely. I realize you name your child the famous name of Pan-Africanism in history. What's that? Which name? Which name is that? Okay, oh, we have Chinese here also from China. That is great. That is great. That is great. That is great. Let's see what BTC does, guys. Let's see BTC. Let's see what BTC has for us today. Oh, Kwame. Kwame is a name for someone born on Saturday in Ghana. A Saturday born boy. Okay. So Kwame Nkrumah was born on a Saturday. That's why his name is Kwame. Kwame Nkrumah. Nkrumah is not Nkrumah. It's Nkrumah. Yeah, it's K. Nkrumah. You're trying to change your partner code. What is the issue you're facing, Jess? What is the issue? Send me a DM, okay? If you want to join the XNS VIP, just send me a WhatsApp. I'm going to respond to you. Just send the WhatsApp. I've received several messages. I'm going to respond to that, guys. Several messages from people wanting to join the live, asking about mentorship. I'm reading the WhatsApp messages here. I'm going to respond to every single one of you when I'm done, okay? Oh, BTC is being slow, guys. Being very slow. Okay. You've tested on WhatsApp. Sure, I'm going to respond to you, okay? I'm going to respond to you. No worries. Yeah, if you're in Kenya, you can't trade BTC on XNES when you're in Kenya. Have you considered trading synthetics? Yeah, I've been trading synthetics for a while, but it's been a while I actually traded synthetics. To fair do swing trading chaque fois to... Okay, so let me try and understand. You do swing trading every time. Is it which HTF, high time frame? You do swing trading every time on higher time frame. Is that what it means? Goody. I understand some small French. You do swing trading every time. Chaque fois is every time or always on higher time frame. Let me know if that is correct, so I can answer you, okay? You have deposited into your XNest account. That is great. That is great. We just need this candle to close, then we will know where it's heading to. There are several rejections in this area, several of them. Let me just wait time frame so that you look at it. Several rejections in the area. Just look at them. We have one here. Let me show you guys. We have this here. We have this here. We have this also rejection here. Why is this thing not working? We have several rejections in the zone here. That is why I'm thinking that we just hope that price just gets to jumps to our sell zone quickly and then rejects from there. That's what I'm expecting. Like a big tap there and then we just dump. But we have several rejections there. Aside that, we have other ones also. With this one also here, we have this rejection. Also here, several rejections in the zone for sellers. But we can't conclude on that yet. See all of these rejections in this zone for sales. It's giving it a very strong level. BTC can slow down sometimes, but once it starts going volatile, it goes crazy, guys. Last week, we took a trade on BTC, a buy. You guys saw how it went. Few seconds, we're already running over 700 points. Few seconds into the trade, we're running over 700 points. But once it starts, it's very slow, like it's not really going to give you any direction. Then, boom, it just moves, guys. BTC is always surprising. Always, it will surprise you with a big candle very soon. Aside BTC on weekends, which other pair can we trade? So most of the crypto pairs are open on weekends, okay? Most of the crypto pairs. I don't know of the others, but it's only BTC I've been trading ever since. I've not traded Ethereum before, but it's BTC I know that is open mostly on weekends. Yeah, it takes 3 days to change, Jesse. It takes 3 days, so you just have to wait. Sometimes less. So don't worry, okay? Is 700 points the same as 700 pips? No, they are not the same. The other one is point, the other one is pips. But it's simply this, when you have 700 points, it's simply 70 pips, 70 pips. 70 pips, that's how you can call it, 70 pips or 700 points. The thing is, if I go off live, I'm going to be trading this trade with only the VIP members. I know most of you don't like that also. But if I'm not live, it means that only the VIP gets when I enter the trade. Okay? Only the VIP gets when I enter this trade. Once I go off live, the VIP gets when I enter the trade. Last week I sent a trade. Actually, every single weekend we smash BTC. You guys are evidence of that. I mean, you've seen that several times, right? Every single weekend we smash BTC. Every single weekend. Our buy zone, our sell zones play out exceptionally on weekends. Exceptionally. But sometimes it takes a lot of market build up and consolidation before we have that massive movement coming in. Do I expect it to go bullish? I'm not sure the direction of the market as of now. That's why I'm waiting. I'm waiting to see if we have a closure below this zone here. Then we can sell to this area. Or we tap this sell zone here. Then we can have a trade coming in. That is why I'm waiting. But if I go off live, we are going to trade it only in the VIP. Because I'll send a signal there for them once I enter the trade. Hello, Abba. I'm late. I hope to catch some pips. You're not late. You're not late. We haven't entered the trade yet. Let's see. We haven't entered any trade as at now. Let's just see. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. If you're new here, just follow the channel. Make sure you join the Telegram channel so that you know whenever I'm going live. On weekdays, I'm trading gold live every single day. You come on TikTok, I'm live trading gold. But if you want to know when I'm going live to trade gold on Mondays to Fridays, then join the Telegram channel, okay? That is where everything trading happens. If I'm going live, I update in the channel. If I have a setup, I update in the channel first. Everything, if I'm not live, happens inside the Telegram channel. So make sure you join the Telegram channel so you don't miss out, okay? Don't miss out. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see if we can have some bearish closure coming soon. Let me check the 5 minutes. 7 minutes. Okay, let me just check on my screen here instead of changing the one on the screen. Let me check here. Is there a match today, guys? Is there a match today or is tomorrow? Is there any World Cup match today or it's tomorrow? There's England today, 1 a.m. Aish, no. I'd have laughed. What about 1 a.m.? Is it 1 a.m. Ghana time? 1 a.m. Ghana time. Let me check. England match today. England versus Norway. Let me check the time. Okay, it's 9 p.m. my time. That is okay. 9 p.m. I can watch it. 9 p.m. not bad. I can watch it. I can watch it here. Argentina today. It's tomorrow. Argentina game is tomorrow. It's not today. Argentina and Switzerland. It's tomorrow. This would have been Ghana. Only if Ghana had pushed a little bit, would have been playing Argentina. We would have come home though, but it would have been a worthy game. Because with this our lousy football we played. Still looking at that zone, guys. That zone is still holding strong for sales. That zone is still holding strong for sales. Just checking my chart here and it's really holding strong for sales. I was hoping to go off live. Then when prices almost get into any of the zones, we traded live. But sometimes the time price gets there, I might be caught up with something that wouldn't help me come on live like just at that moment. I have to send it to only the VIP members. I might have to send it to only the VIP members. I should root for England. Let's see, guys. I'm just going to enjoy the game. I'm not really rooting for anyone. Just going to be. Yesterday I watched France and Spain. I was just enjoying it, not really supporting anyone. I'm just going to be enjoying it, not really supporting anyone. The only team I support is Ghana. I don't owe loyalty to any team. Belgium and Spain. Yes. It was Belgium and Spain. Yes. What did I mention? What team did I mention? Was it? I mentioned Belgium and Spain, or wasn't Belgium and Spain I mentioned? What teams did I mention earlier? You hope Norway will win. Let's see, guys. I also hope Norway wins because England really thought they had Ghana wrapped around their finger during the game. They thought they had Ghana wrapped around their finger during the match. I hope the best person wins, actually. I'm just there to enjoy good football, guys. Not really supporting anyone. Just there to enjoy good football. Can't find the link to Telegram. So yes, guys, when you go to my TikTok, okay? When you go to my TikTok, let me show you. Tap on my name. Once you go to my TikTok, you'd see. Let me just try and show you. When you come to my TikTok, okay? Tap on my name, okay? Go to my profile. Okay, TikTok, you see a link here. Oh, it's not here. Has the link been removed? Let me check. That is interesting. Oh, that could be the reason. Because people have been testing me. How do I join your community? Oh, crazy, crazy, guys. The link is not my TikTok anymore. What happened? I now understand why. I now understand. The link is not my TikTok anymore, guys. The link isn't on my TikTok anymore. How long has this thing been there? Because I really thought it was there. I really, like, people have been messaging me for like the past 2 weeks. I'm like, it's on the bio. It's on my bio. When did this thing go off? Oh, crazy. I'm just seeing it, guys. Let me see if I can bring it back. Yeah, I see. Sorry about that, guys. I've had complaints over the past week about my Telegram channel, blah, 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 blah. Don't know I didn't have my Telegram link there. Slow, guys. Forgive me. But on YouTube, yes, it's on YouTube. It's on YouTube. It's on YouTube. For now, let me just put this there. Let me put the link there. I'm just seeing it's not there. People have been testing me for like 2 weeks. Please, your Telegram channel link. I'm like, it's on my bio. Just checking now, realize it wasn't there. Guys, sorry about that. No one also notified me that I wasn't there. There was no link. Just seeing it now. Sorry about that. What is not moving? Gold? It's moving. It's moving. No, Aria, go back, okay? Go back, hurry up. No! Naya, just stay there. Aria, go back, don't let me get mad. Go back, okay? Come. She will not beat you, okay? Don't beat her, she's sorry. Mommy says go back, okay? So just go back. She will not beat you. I'm working, go back, okay? Guys, it's crazy coming live with Case on weekend. Go back, hurry up. Don't cry. Yeah, I beat them, guys. When they are naughty, I beat them. But when they are home, it's really hard to stream live. So mostly on weekends, I don't stream live because when I'm live, they'll come into the live and mess up my whole trading for the day. Aria, go to the bedroom. Hurry up. It's crazy, guys. Being a mom and being a trader is crazy. Kudos to all moms who are also doing this. It's not easy. Yeah, but guys, you might have to just go off live very soon. Not because of the kids, not because of them. I mean, they've come to the live several times. It's just because gold is just really slowing down. I don't really have much also doing today. So once price is almost in this sell zone here, we'll just come back live. Okay, we'll come back live. If you don't want to miss when I go live, just do what to join the Telegram channel. But then this Telegram channel is also not, I'm not able to add the link to my TikTok anymore. I don't know if the link has been banned, but I'm not sure why. I'll figure it out, guys. I'll figure it out, and then I'll add a link to it very soon. But yeah, guys, I'll notify you when I'm going live again. When price is almost in the zone. Let me set an alert. Let me set an alert for this. Let me set alerts here for the zone, so that I can just get notified when it's almost there. But how many of you plan on trading BTC today? How many of you want to trade BTC today? Let me put the alert somewhere here. Because we've been live for close to 2 hours. Once price is just there, let's just take a break. We'll come back, okay? I've placed an alert here. Let me place one also below. Let me place one alert here. Just in case price is almost there, we can just come back live. But guys, how many of you plan on trading BTC today? I should respond to your WhatsApp. I am. I'm going to respond to every WhatsApp, okay? I will. My broker spread is giving me second thoughts on trading BTC. Just trade with Xness, okay? The after spreads. Did it reach the zone? Not yet. So I've set an alert here. What you see here are alerts, okay? These clocks you see here. So simply when price gets there, it's going to give me a notification that price is almost there or almost getting to the zone. So I should come to my PC. So when price gets there, I'll come back live, and then we can trade the zones live. We'll trade the zones live, okay? We'll trade it live. And guys, by the way, I'll be starting the education soon. That's the screen right there, okay? The screen for the classes. I brought it there for just coming online to just teach. So we'll start with that very soon. And yeah, that is it, guys. That is it. We'll come back live when price gets there. And peace out, guys. Take care. Have a wonderful Saturday. And let's hope we catch a good one today. All right? See you guys and bye. For those that want to join the Xness VIP, send a WhatsApp to the number on the screen. Just screenshot the number down. Just screenshot it and just send, hey, how about joining the Xness VIP? Please don't send hello or hi, okay? You don't have to greet me. Just go straight to the point. Hey, I want to join your VIP, or just type Xness VIP or free VIP. Don't even talk a lot, okay? So I can answer your questions quickly. Also, if you want to know when I'm coming back live, join the Telegram channel so you don't miss when I'm coming live, okay? See you guys shortly. Take care and peace out, guys. Peace out. Bye.